Hi, I'm Angela Meharg from Datisfy. Since 2013, I've worked with dozens of manufacturing and wholesale companies using QuickBooks Enterprise, who were surprised to learn they couldn't get the reports they actually needed, even though the data is in there. QuickBooks does have powerful features for inventory and assemblies, but the reporting, that's another story. Let me ask you this. What do you know about how your team tracks component requirements across all your open sales orders, especially in the case when the same component is used in multiple different assemblies? Here's what most people do. They export reports, build massive spreadsheets, and try to piece it all together every week. Or worse, they just guess. I'm not sure if this is for you, but if you're building assemblies and managing inventory, you'll want to know what we've created. Our manufacturing report package fills in the gaps. It shows total quantities of components needed across all open sales orders. It helps with timing when parts are needed based on due dates of sales orders and purchase orders. It combines inventory levels with historical usage to guide your purchasing. And it projects what you'll need before you'll run out. That kind of visibility can make or break your ability to deliver on time and manage customer expectations. Let's be real. Most accountants or bookkeepers are simply not equipped or compensated to build this kind of report. Just imagine being able to see exactly what your production team needs without touching a spreadsheet. Cost and business interruption of implementing a new inventory system. How open-minded would you be to seeing how better reporting could support your manufacturing? Let's talk about it.